Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome to Hustle with Drew. I'm a little sick, so that's why my voice sounds like this. But I had like an epiphany, a great video idea that I wanted to make. And as you can tell by the title, this is something that is killing your photo booth business. It's not responding right away. And I can maybe say like four people I know that are always telling me like, well, like, how are you getting jobs? I'm doing the same thing you're doing, but people aren't responding to my message after I message them. And the answer is simple, is you're taking too long. You know, everyone nowadays wants responses fast. And the people that are inquiring about your services, they're not just messaging you, they're messaging, I would say easily, I would say probably think maybe at least 6 other people. So they're gonna go with the person that messaged them first. It is a huge, huge deal. If you're in this business and you wanna be successful, you have to drop what you're doing and just send a simple response. I'm not even talking about like every time writing a custom message. What you should do is open up your phone, notes, type out a reply, right? A reply that you can send anyone, just saying like, hey, thanks for reaching out. Here is our pricing. It's $250 for a photo booth. You get this, that, this, and that. This is what included. This is what is included. Here's our website if you want more information, or here's our Instagram if you want to see some recent work. And you should be able to do that. It's going to save you so much time. But again, you guys, if you're not responding right away, the reason why they're not getting back to you after you find the time to message them back, it's too late. They've already found another person. That is like 9 times out of the 10 the case. So this will definitely kill your business. And I understand you guys, you're busy, you may be at work, you know, or you may be on a date, you may be eating dinner, but literally it's 10 seconds, you know. If you can't take the 10 seconds out of your day to message someone, maybe this business isn't for you. And that's easy for me to say, right? Because I work for myself already. I don't have a 9 to 5. I don't have any kids. I get it, I understand. It's kind of, it's low-key a little rude, but like, I know myself, even if I had a kid or if I were to get a job, I would still find that time to get it done. So, you know, even, you know, in the future, I'm already thinking ahead, like, I don't want to be the person to have to respond to all my customers. This is a goal of ours, is to finally have someone on board, someone that we can hire to do this. You can even probably outsource this stuff to someone in a different country, but for now, we're not making that, to me, we're not making enough money to justify that. But back to what I was saying, make sure you respond right away, because, you know, taking 10 seconds to respond can literally mean that you got a job that could pay easily $1,000. You know, it's not crazy to think that an iPad photo booth gig can get you that much, or a 360 photo booth gig, or a print booth. You know, literally last Friday we had a gig, $1,000 gig, and you know, it's all about responding fast and doing what you can right away. You know, so I'm gonna end the video here. It's pretty simple, but I hope I inspired and motivated you guys to be on top of your game, and, you know, get back to everyone quick. So I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys are doing well and stay safe. Bye.